partner thinks that my tongue isn't either long enough or it's not reaching where it should.
We've been using a laundry basket basically to help me orgasm. I'll take it and like flip it upside down and basically like kneel up in front of it, and then I rub my clitoris on it while Steve comes from behind, and basically like we do a doggy style then, so I'm kind of getting him to orgasm, and we basically are able to then orgasm at the same time.